Hey guys, David here, and today, I've got an awesome new software to tell you about, a software that's actually going to help you in your business, and I'm going to give you a detailed demo of that software in a second. But before you check it out, I do want to make sure that you are aware of the special bonuses that you can get, if you pick it up through me. So below this video, you're going to see a link. And if you click on that link, you're going to see all of the special bonuses that you can get if you pick up this amazing new tool through me. Let's go ahead and jump right into the demo. What is the most profitable videos online? And you can create hundreds of them. If you are still guessing, it's product reviews. More specifically, review videos. This is how smart, lazy and intelligent marketers make $3K to $10K/month with it. Review videos are most trusted, most effective and by far makes the most sales with little traffic. But there's are some huge problems. Creating review videos is very time consuming. You need to be an expert. You need hundreds of videos to make a serious income. You need traffic. You need to be on camera. This is why most people don't bother creating review videos. They simply can't afford it. With VidReviewz you can create high-quality review videos in minutes without ever having to show your face on camera. Not just that, you'll also be able to rank these videos on YouTube and Google for unlimited traffic using their express ranking method. This is a brand new technology that's just been released and you'll be one of the first people to get your hands on it. I highly recommend you check it out now before everyone else catches on and the price goes up. You must see VidReviewz in action, 3-click review video creation software. VidReviewz is available for a low one-time price during its public launch for the next few days only. After this week, it will turn into a higher recurring subscription price model. Act fast and get your account at the lowest price ever. Get VidReviewz for a low one-time price now. Thanks for watching this demo. I hope you loved it. Don't forget, I've got some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and be sure to like and subscribe to get more videos.